Alright, ladies and gents, this is the LEGO 6482 rescue helicopter. The blades spin, the rear wheels are pivot, and the wheels all spin. This is a LEGO lights and sound set. So open up the central compartment, press down the power button, and the lights will flash for you. And it comes with two sounds that can be adjusted by rotating the knob here. Our random space sound and a siren. Why a helicopter needs flashing lights and a siren is beyond me. This set is missing the pilot figure, but is otherwise complete. So bid high.